Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Andy. This week we're going to be doing a chicken and shiitake fried rice. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. We've got some shiitake mushrooms, brown onion, red capsicum, some chopped coriander, carrots, peas, ginger, garlic, some diced chicken breast, some rice that we've cooked off earlier, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some eggs that we've beaten. So if you'd like to follow me over to the pans, we'll start cooking. Okay, so the first job we're going to do, we're going to brown off the chicken. So what we need for that is a bit of oil in a pan, and we'll just make sure that that's nice and hot. And then what we're going to do, just in small batches, give that a season. Now we're going to take this till it's almost cooked through. And get a nice bit of colour on there. Shouldn't take too long, depending on the size of the dice that you cut the chicken. Keep turning it around. This should take probably about 4 to 6 minutes. Like I said, it all depends on the size of the dice that you've cut your chicken up at. And we're not going to cook it all the way through because we don't want the chicken to dry out and be tough. So if you just use your tongue when you think you're ready, you can just see that it's almost cooked all the way through now. So what we'll do, we'll just transfer this into another pan, and then we'll repeat the process until all the chicken's done. Okay, so now that the chicken's all been cooked off, what we're going to do, we're going to make a little omelette. I just find it's easier this way than putting the rice, eggs in with the rice, because it gets a little bit kind of mushy. So what we're going to do, we're just going to work that around the pan. Until it's all cooked. You don't want to be doing this on a really hot heat either, so just a nice low heat. It'll take a couple of minutes just to make sure it's all cooked. what I do is just flip it over just to finish that off. I'm just going to put that to one side for a second. Okay, so here we go. We'll start cooking everything else. What we need now is the sesame oil. I'm just going to turn the heat back up for this. Alright, so first of all, we're just going to put the onions and the mushrooms and just give that a saute down. And we're not going to add too much salt and pepper to this, as we're going to be using soy sauce, which is salty. You can use a wok if you've got a wok burner at home, or a pan to do it in. I'm just going to do it in the frying pan so everybody has easily accessibility to one of these. So next we'll put the ginger in, the garlic. You can put chili in there if you want, depending on what kind of spice you like. So next we'll put the carrots in, and the capsicums. Just add a little bit more oil. Then we can add our rice. Okay, so we're going to fry that off for 4 to 5 minutes now. Just keep it moving in the pan so it doesn't stick to the base. Okay, so when you've been frying the rice off for about 4 to 5 minutes, we're just going to add the chicken back in. Okay, so now your chicken's been back in with the rice and cooking away. Next thing we're going to do is add our peas. Just give that a little toss around. I'm just going to turn that down a little sec. So with the omelette that we made earlier, all we're going to do is just fold it over a couple of times and then run a knife through it. Okay, so just check the seasoning. We haven't obviously added anything in there yet, but okay. So we'll add our soy. Crank that up. Some cracked black pepper. Give that a mix in. Should have got a bigger pan really. Check the seasoning again. Maybe just a splash more soy. Bit more pepper. And we're just going to sprinkle the coriander through it. Okay, so there we have it. Let's take it over there and we'll plate it up. Okay, so when it comes to plating up, real simple. And then we're just going to finish it. A nice fried egg. A little sprinkle of dried shallots, cracked black pepper, give the bowl a light. And there we have it, chicken and shiitake fried rice. Tune in next time, see you soon.